AirPlay not working? How to fix it and mirror your iPhone screen. Make sure AirPlay is enabled on all devices. To turn on AirPlay on iPhone, open Settings and go to General. Tap AirPlay and handoff and choose Automatically AirPlay. Select Automatic or Ask. To turn on AirPlay on your Apple TV, go to TV settings and select AirPlay and HomeKit. Then, choose AirPlay to enable it. Before moving to the next step, we would like to recommend Combo Cleaner. To keep your device running smoothly, avoid malware infections, and free up disk space, we recommend using Combo Cleaner. Available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Download and install it today at combocleaner.com. Grab our limited deal for Windows and Mac users. Use the coupon code PCRISK30 for 30% off at the checkout. Reset Bluetooth connection. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to access the control center. When Bluetooth is enabled, tap on it to turn it off. After a few seconds, tap on the Bluetooth icon again to enable it. Reset Wi-Fi connection. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen. When the Wi-Fi icon is blue, tap on it to turn off. After a few seconds, tap on the Wi-Fi icon again to enable it. Connect to the same Wi-Fi network. It's important to ensure that both your iPhone and Apple TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi. If they're not, then AirPlay won't work correctly, and you won't be able to mirror your screen. Restart your iPhone and Apple TV. To force restart your iPhone for iOS 16 and later, press and release the volume up button on your iPhone's left side. Then, quickly press and release the volume down button. Press the side button until you see the Apple logo. Release the side button and wait for the iPhone to load. To restart your Apple TV, turn off your Apple TV and unplug it from the outlet. Wait for a few seconds, plug it back in, and turn it on. Go to TV settings. Select System and choose Restart. Turn off Automatic AirPlay. By turning off Automatic AirPlay, you can manually choose when to connect to an AirPlay-enabled device and avoid any potential problems with AirPlay mirroring. Go to the Settings app and choose General. Tap AirPlay and handoff and select Automatically AirPlay. Switch from Automatic to Ask. Update the iPhone. Open Settings and go to General. Tap on Software Update. If an update is available, tap Update Now. To enhance security and recover device space on your iPhone, download the Combo Cleaner app. With the Internet Security feature, Combo Cleaner will protect your web browsing from scams, phishing, malicious downloads, and rogue websites. The password checker lets you see if your password is strong and not easily hackable. This feature will also check the online breaches database and advise if your password is safe. VPN is also included in the app, which encrypts traffic and hides your IP. Identity protection allows you to assess if your data has been exposed. You can check if your data was disclosed in a breach. SMS security filters SMS messages that contain malicious links, which can compromise your data. Photo Cleaner can help you quickly identify and remove similar photos and the ones with quality issues. The Secure Calendar feature scans links in calendar events and notifies you of the rogue ones, protecting your data from theft. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.